Your machines. They keep your employees busy and your business humming, vital to your everyday production. And without proper machine maintenance, things can come to a grinding halt. But maintenance comes with risk. Maintaining equipment puts employees in harm's way for accidental startup or energization of equipment if all hazardous energy sources are not properly isolated and controlled. It's what Regulation 1910.147 is all about. With nearly 10% of all serious workplace accidents occurring due to a lack of controlling hazardous energy, having a solid lockout-tagout program is the only way to keep employees safe and your business compliant. While the work to get there can be daunting, you have an expert you can rely on. Get the confidence you need knowing Brady offers what competitors don't. More than 30 years experience in safety compliance. No matter where you are in your lockout-tagout safety needs, we can help. Just devices, a start-to-finish lockout-tagout solution, or anywhere in between. Our industry experts create a sustainable and compliant safety program that works for you and your employees, complete with services, software, and devices. When you want the highest standard, look no further than Brady Safety Services. You can count on our in-house team of field engineers to bring industry-leading knowledge, experience, and expertise to your business. From employee training to supporting your periodic inspections, and from creating your visual procedures to developing a one-of-a-kind lockout solution. Brady's lockout-tagout service offering brings you the support and flexibility to create your complete safety picture. Our best-in-class Link 360 safety software allows you to easily write, store, and manage your visual lockout processes and procedures in a sustainable way. The innovation doesn't stop there. You get the right tool for the job. Knowing Brady's state-of-the-art devices are engineered to lock out any type of equipment. And because we know efficiency is key to your everyday responsibilities, you'll appreciate Brady's exclusive Safe Key Lockout padlocks with the smart color-matched key. One padlock, one person, one key means you can lock it out with confidence and easily find the right key when you're ready to power things up again. Put the complete lockout solution in play. Every step of the way, Brady will work with you to create a custom solution for your unique business situation. Our services, devices, and software will ensure you keep your business humming every single day. Find out more about Brady's complete lockout-tagout solutions today.